Bibingka or tupig, it's the banana leaf that gives that characteristic aroma. That's why I'm showing you different techniques of lining the mold. Banana leaf techniques, you might want to call it. And we're doing two batches, two ways of making bibingka. Hello, magandang hapon, magandang umaga, wherever you are in the world. Greetings. Welcome to Channel 1. I just bake Bibingka Galapong or Bibingka Tapong as we call it in Ilocano. Bibingka made from sweet or glutinous rice. This one, I made it 4 days ago. I love it, but the problem is I thought it collapsed. It's compact. I like it. Nevertheless, I thought of baking a new batch, this time reducing the amount of water because I thought it collapsed due to the wetness. This is the result. Let's taste them and compare. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. This has a tikoy texture, chewy, nakilnat. Hindi ko alam ang Tagalog noon, nakilnat. And this is more puppy. Your choice. And in this episode, we'll be showing you how to make these two textures of bibingka and techniques and how to use a banana leaf for this bibingka. Bibingka without banana leaf is not bibingka. That's what I learned in this shoot. The aroma is just magical. A quick glance at the ingredients. 1 cup glutinous rice flour, 1/4 ordinary flour, cooking oil, baking powder, sugar, milk or coconut milk. The complete list of the ingredients in the description box. As I earlier indicated, may it be tupig or bibingka, we need banana leaves. They don't have to be fresh. Just like this. This is my extra from my bibingka recipe last week. We need to wilt it over the flame to make it stronger. Look, the oil content or the grease coming out from the banana leaves. And this grease strengthens the leaf. Needless to say, we have to clean it with a dry cloth. Remove the impurities. We don't want to contaminate our bibingka. And now it's time to line our molds. I need all them to show different banana lining techniques. And they are roughly of the same diameter. And I'll use this platito even, as a template to cut out a banana leaf. Use the part further away from the center. It's thinner. Avoid cutting close to the center because that will be brittle. Use a sharp knife. Mine is not so. Look. And the banana leaf is really this strong. This is just to show that the banana leaf is strong. We need a sharper knife here. Again, Romilo. That's better. That's better. In that angle. And voila, it's done. Let's make more. This time I'll show you another technique. Let's just line this without cutting and then fold it. This serves as a guide for my scissors. I folded it. So in one task or in one step, I will be making here two circles, two banana lining. Or banana leaf lining, I should say. Do you find this easier than the earlier method with the cutter? Ano ang mas madali? Scissors or cutter kagaya ng first na pinakita? But with this, in one cutting, we are able to make two. This is more efficient, I think. Choose the best. I'll be needing just 6 of this, so it doesn't matter that much. But just to show you different ways of cutting out banana leaf lining. For the mastery, let's make the last one. This time, I'm pressing the knife harder, and it allowed me to cut the banana leaf lining easy. It's easier, see? And since we're experimenting with the use or underuse of banana leaf, will minimum amount or will minimum use of banana leaf make a difference in the aroma or taste of the bibingka? That's why I'm cutting this out small, very small. It's small but durable. It's thick. And just line the bottom of this mold, yeah, just to give the butter aroma. And now let's train the banana linings to have them get the form of the mold. Alternately, press it down, another leaf. Press it, give it some form, another leaf, or yeah, and then something heavy to keep the shape on. Let's do this with my other molds. It's about training the banana leaf, or to give it the form of the mold. And just put it there, and for best result, put it in the fridge. Now let's mix our batter. The ingredients there already, the dry ingredients, the flour, 2 types of flour, baking powder and sugar. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil. The milk or water milk combination, that's 1 cup, which is on the wet side. Now let's pour the butter. Or no, not yet. Let's prepare the lined or banana leaf lined molds. See how they adapted the shape of the mold. Diba? Now, fill the molds and we're ready to bake. We're ready. 200 degrees in the oven for 25 minutes or more. And once it's cooked, for a more pleasing color, you can use the top burner of your grill to give it 1 minute of scorching finish. Let's see what I meant. Look how beautiful. They are really golden brown. See? Some top this with cheese. I'll be using just cream cheese. And this is a version with very minimum banana leaf, just the bottom. It does not smell as good as the other one. Now let's make another batch. This time I'll limit the amount of fluid to make the butter drier. See, it's hardly drips even into the oven for the same time. And I called my Mana Grace for the verdict. Taste test. Which one is better? The drier one, fluffy, puppy, or the collapsed, sticky, wet one? This is the dry one.
Soft.
The drier one, I should say.
See?
Look,
at
it's
that.
fluffy.
How soft it is. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Egg, yummy.
Now the sticky and wetter one. With a decoy texture.
My God.
Question, Mana. Which one tastes better?
Same.
The same?
The same for me is the same. They're both delicious.
Good.
Really yummy. I like it. Patay mo yun.
Now, conclusion. Wet or dry as long as it's lined with banana leaf. Your bibingka would taste good. Thank you for joining me here today, and on behalf of Mana Grace, thank you. Diyos nagbati, and see you on our next video.